once in our lifetimes have had terrible experience while dealing with huge companies when we are especially the end customers. Bad customer service isn't something that these companies mean to provide, but somehow, with so many users, some of our complaints, our demands, or our suggestions could get easily go unnoticed. And to avoid this situation, what we have today is Freshdesk. Well, Freshdesk is a software as a service based computer support software company headquartered in Silicon Valley. It has got its offices in Chennai, London, and Sydney. They help companies of all sizes, may it be Twitter or Instagram or any other company which have got a huge end user response with it. Uh, they help these companies to talk to their customers wherever they are and however they want to interact. Well, bad customer experience was a main problem prevalent everywhere. So, this company was a result of this problem faced by the two founders of the company. Initially, only two of them were the people behind Freshdesk, and only they were doing all the stuff related to it. On 13th October 2010, Freshdesk was officially born. They worked hard for 6 months to build the cloud-based software, and in 2011, I mean almost a year later, Freshdesk was officially launched for the public. Around 40,000 US dollars were won by Freshdesk at Microsoft BizSpark Startup Challenge, and it opened lots of doors for them. Lots of investors were interested to invest into this company. Now they have many investors including Tiger Global, Google Capital, and Axel Partners. Well, my colleagues will explain about the features of Freshdesk, but I'll just brief you through it. Basically, it talks about a ticketing system. It has got a very rich knowledge base. It has active community forums. It has got a live chat support, which enables customer and phone support as well as mobile in-app support is something that helps stay all the customers stay connected, and well, that is how they communicate. And sometimes if a phone or email isn't being received properly, they convert it into a token or ticket. This is what they mean with the ticketing system, to make sure that all the problems are handled efficiently. This ticketing system is what we are talking about. Now, Freshdesk, as I told earlier, is a software as a service-based customer support. So, this is a software which uses all the goodness of cloud technology and helping people to connect to the companies and voice their thoughts properly. Thank you.
Hello, I am Kaustubh Shinde. Today I am going to tell you about how to start with Freshdesk. So to use Freshdesk service, you need to have an account. So let's create an account. We have to enter all your details. Enter company name. Suppose if I type Google, this is a customer support address for Google company. As just it is for example. You can also change anything you want. Enter your phone number and get started for free. After that, your account will be created. Now to log in into Freshdesk account, click on login. Enter your email address here. If you click on remind me, Freshdesk will send an email to your entered account. Here I got mail. Here it will show you all the accounts. It will show you all the accounts you have created, all the customer support address, companies, domains which I have created. If I click on kdstechnologies.freshdesk.com, it will redirect me to the my Freshdesk account. This is a dashboard for my Freshdesk account. In this section, we can see all the activities we have done. This is for payment session, and this is a ticket summary. You can see all the reports about your tickets only here. Here I have got one unresolved ticket, so if I click here, it will show me that unresolved tickets, all the unresolved tickets. You can also change the status from here, change agent, change status, or change priority. If I click here, it will redirect me to the profile of for that particular token. Here you can reply or forward or anything you want. If you can do anything you want, you can set priority to high, medium, urgent according to the query. Status as open, pending. If uh, if if you are working on this, then you can check status as pending. You can enter source. Here there are different types of sources. You can also add email, portal, phone, forum, Twitter or Facebook accounts to this source, so that whenever user tries to contact with you from any of this platform, you will get notified and token will be added to it. You can assign group, means whether it is on project management or question and answers or sales. If you have already assigned some agents to this to that particular group, then names of those and that agents will come here. And if you didn't assign anything, if you don't take anything in, if you don't select anything in group, it will show all the names, all names of agents. You can also select time, whether it is a question or incident or problem, like that. You can also add tags. Time tag means where up to how long you taken time to resolve that query. To do means whatever you have to do, and update the status. If as we see earlier, there was one unresolved token on dashboard. If I change the status to resolved and update the token, let's see what it shows. Before that, if you click on here, this is a customer who mailed to our customer support address. It shows all the profile of that customer. All the emails we have got from customers will come here, and you can manage all the queries from here also. If I go to dashboard, as I have resolved all the tokens, this shows 0 unresolved tokens, like that. Suppose if I mail to that address, let's see what happens. If I reload this page, here there is one unresolved query. You can also resolve that. You can manage this query also. Here I have set priority as medium, status as a pending, source as email, group as a product management, agent. If you want to select agent, you can select that also. Type and tags, and click on update. When I change or update anything, then the same reply will be given to that customer's email. Will be means the mail will be given to sent to the customer, and he will be get notified about all the activities we have done to that to his or her query. You can also add admin, agents, groups from admin tab. Here there are different support channels. You can add anything from this. You can add agents, groups, roles, and account settings also. In this way you can handle your Freshdesk account. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Chandralekha Jadhav, and here we are. We are here to see the KDS technologies. So I am going to explain you how to create the agents and new groups in this technology. So first of all, we will see how to create the agents in the KDS technology. So I have one tab here open. You can click here on agents and you can go to the agent page. So here we can see some of the agents have created, like Chandralekha, Kaustubh, Sagar and Siddhi. They have given you the edit option through which you can edit your agents also. And this is the new agent tab where you can create a new agent. So they have given here the information about how to create the agents. Let us check what is it. An agent is a Freshdesk is anyone who needs to access, work on and resolve your support tickets. So whatever support tickets you are sending, who will access that ticket, that is going to decide on this page by using these agents. So they have given some kind of information here, just like full time and occasional agent. Just like if you have submitted any supporting tickets, then which agent will access them full time and which will access for occasionally, means when you log in or something like that. So here we will create the new agent. As you can see the new agent information page here. So here you have to fill some text boxes, as you can see, full name, email, title, phone number and time zone and all. And besides they have given you the information about how to fill this information. That's it. It is not a tough task. And roles and scope is another thing in the agents. Let's see, you can choose which tickets your agent can see by modifying their ticket scope. You should also specify what actions an agent is able to perform within your help desk by choosing a role. Means what kind of actions has to be taken on your ticket will be defined by scopes and roles. Means how your ticket will be pursued or it will be maintained or accessed, that is going to decide by using scopes and rules. So this is about agent information, and you can save the agent information by clicking save, and your name will appear here as a new name. So this is about creating a new agent. And the another thing I am going to explain is the groups, how to create groups. So when you click on the group icon given there, you will visit this page. We can see here there are some already groups present here, that project management, quality assurance and sales. You can click on new group and can create your own new group. So we'll see how to do that. As same before, you have to fill the information here, group name, description. Okay, business hour, that is the new thing. Let us see what this says. You can assign each of this group with a different business hours, which is simply your working hours. For example, you can group agents by shifts and assign different business hours to each group. Means here you can divide your task to the different groups depending on hours. Means which group will handle your ticket for how many hours, like that, I guess. Here the agent, where you can enter the name of the agent. We have already these agents enrolled in our system, so they have given these names. And escalation role, if the ticket remain unassigned for more than, okay, what this field implies is if your ticket is not being accessed by anyone, after more than, here they have given the times, means after 30 minutes or after 1 hour or days or like this, then your ticket will be sent to the, automatically will send to the agent. Here we have seen these agents. So if your ticket is not being processed before after 30 minutes as this time, then it will send automatically to any type of agent that is enrolled in our agent page. So this is about this field. And automatic ticket assignment, this we can turn in off and as well as on. What is this saying is, this on and off button will allocate your ticket automatically to some agents. They have given here tickets coming into this group will be automatically assigned to the available agents. Okay, so in the round robin fashion, the which agent will be free there, the ticket will be assigned to that agent, means in round robin fashion. Yes, so this is about making up the groups and allocating time for group. And you can click on save button and you can create the new group. Here you have given the information about how to create group or how to prepare the groups. You can also prefer that also.
Hello friend, I am Sagar Seva. I am giving the information about the administrative maintenance window. The administrative window, I explain about the help desk priority. Help desk priority contains dispatcher, supervisor, observer, screen automation, ticket templates, email notification, client response, customer satisfaction, and email commands and apps. Firstly, I explain about supervisor. The supervisor is perform the action on a tickets that you are specified based on time and event triggers. Use the supervisor to priority check the recent tickets and perform the action on sending the reminder to the customer for pending the tickets and scan the overdue the tickets to the right person in team. A supervisor will run every hour and process the tickets that have been updated within the past 30 days. The supervisor rule are the processed sequentially, so the order to the rules is important. The rule may cause the certain action to trigger subsequent rules. Here is a simple supervisor rules for the 30 days. We can simply on off the rules. We can also edit the automatic close the reserved ticket after means we can reserve the any ticket within after 48 hours. Here we can edit the supervisor rules. The rules name which can be automatically reserve the tickets after 48 days. We can also edit this the description. This is a reserve the ticket after the 38 minutes. Can also add another description when giving the any conditions such as giving the priority, subject type, or this is the any that is or is not. We can also add any another conditions such as hours pending, hours since created, company name, contact name. Then there is a new tab for adding new condition. The action we can giving any priority type or voucher given assigned to the. Then after giving the information, we can also save this. We can also add new rule. This is common for all. Edit as well as adding new rules. Next, I will explain about the dispatcher. The dispatcher is let's bring the business rules into the support the workflow by the performing predefined set of action newly created tickets. For example, could be dispatcher to the automatically categorize, prioritize, and assign every incoming tickets to the right agent in the team based on the condition to specify. Remember, the order of dispatcher rules are important. For incoming tickets, dispatcher will execute the first matching rule and stop. you can record a list of rules to have a most important rules on top. We can here we add the new rules such as send the leads of to the cell, a simple dispatcher rule. This is a simple rule that have helped understand the dispatcher works. The we can simply on off this rule. We can as we needed. Here we edit this rule. The edit rule rule's name is send to the cells simple dispatcher rule. The description of this we can add conditions such as matching the rules, matching subject, description, priority type, create agent, group, tag, which can give conditions such as is not contains, does not contain, start with, ends with, and with the name that we contain this. Then we can add also new condition for this action. We can give an action such as giving priority, status, tag, CC, watcher, another such as the send email, delete tickets, mark or spend. Or this is giving action after the matching the condition. The condition on such as the we can add it the groups such as sales, manufacturing, QA, product management, or another this. Here we also add new rule. The new rule is also contains same fields such as add editing rule. The new simply we can add, but the previous rule and newly created rule cannot be have same name.